trekking it to the waterfall. Rain or shine, baby, we're getting outside. Also, we're going to get wet anyways, right? So who cares?
Guess what? Waterfalls flow harder when it's raining, so more rain, bigger and better waterfall. That's the way I look at it. Hopefully I can get him strapped up to me and keep him asleep, and then he can cuddle me up to the waterfall.
Alrighty, bye-bye car. We'll be back in a little bit. They say it's about a 15-minute walk to the waterfall from here. Pretty treacherous looking so far.
Craziest part is there's not a single sign for a waterfall. There's not an entrance, there's no fee, there's no person to talk to us, to anybody. So we are just full sending it and trekking wherever. We don't even know. There's a path right and left. We have no idea which way to go. I guess we're going left.
Here we go.
Oh, our first waterfall, guys.
Well, we got a stream, so we know we got something.
Downhill.
Yep.
Huh.
Yep.
All right, look at this little nice treacherous hill.
Sweetbread fruit.
Sweetbread.
That's a fruit.
Can I touch it? Can I touch it?
I wouldn't, they're poisonous.
Huh.
That's what it looks like.
It's very hard.
It's pretty wild looking.
All the way out.
Can I touch one?
She wants to touch one.
Maybe.
Or I want to touch one. Whoa, girl.
Hard.
They are hard, huh? Whoa.
I think I definitely picked the right shoe.
Hey. Oh, we can go that way, Mom. We'll go that way.
It's quicksand.
No. Don't pull me over.
Okay, sorry.
Beautiful.
This is gonna be the best episode yet.
I'm getting in that waterfall now.
There's a weather waterfall, but it's filled with water. It sprays out water.
Right, that's crazy.
Make sure you guys keep your eyes out for shark's teeth.
Or sea beans.
Yes, it's seeds. We don't really know what they are. They're some kind of seed.
Mama.
We're gonna pretend like they're a sea bean. Uh-oh. Bubba's wants it, but Nanny just scared me because she said they might be poisonous.
Ew, it stinks. Ew, she made me smell this other one. It stinkies.
Hey, Pop. Smell the seed.
Okay. Let me smell it. Ooh, it does stink.
Stinks, don't it?
What does it smell like?
Poop.
Poop.
Hey, what would you like to say to your fans up there?
There's another fruit, and there's some over there, and I think there's some that trail.
So do you think that's it?
Guys, if you've been to this waterfall before in Thailand, let us know if we're going the right way or not.
Well, what to tell you guys.
Oh.
What?
Yeah, you see what you see? Shot.
I say you just gave
We
in
have
real.
no idea where
You
we're
want me
going.
to walk? Let's walk up the top of this one.
Okay.
Oh, what's that? Waterfall.
Look at you, Mom.
There it is.
Is it nice?
Looks like it.
It's way up there, though. I think we took the wrong turn. I think we had to get down there on that path across that way. Look at those feet. Oh my gosh.
What?
Just wait until you see what Pop just found.
No
All right.
way.
I'll give you guys one guess each.
Sea bean.
Sea glass.
Yeah, okay, but what kind of sea glass?
Mama.
Blue.
Mama.
Wow.
Mama.
Oh, marble.
He just found a marble, you guys, on the way from a waterfall.
Nanny, I need that one because they're all barefoot. No, I need the one stick.
She doesn't need the walking stick, and she's telling Nanny
You're not
to
even,
give up the walking
You're not
stick.
even walking.
No, I need it.
I need it more.
No, I
You guys are almost here. Whew, this was a trek, guys. This is more than what we bargained for probably, but still fun.
This is our craziest by far waterfall that we've done yet, most treacherous, and we have Nanny and Pop with us.
It's 70 years old and 65, 66.
Oh, look at this. What do you think? What do you think about that?
It's huge.
Do you say wow?
See that thing, guys?
Oh, centipede. Isn't that?
Where is it?
Right there.
Oh, wow, yeah, look at that. There's a centipede.
We could even put our stuff up here and then get in this little pool.
I bet this waterfall gets crazy. What's this stuff we're standing on?
Granite.
Granite.
This is all granite?
Yeah.
Wow. I bet there's one thing you didn't consider when you walked up into this jungle. Wild tigers.
Why'd you see one?
We need to go. How'd you feel about that walk in? Were you sure we were going the right way?
Yeah, it was good as long as we were going the right way.
But did we know we were going the right way?
No, we did not know we were going, and we turned around once, but we didn't. We only took a few hundred steps, right?
A few 100,000 steps, yeah. We made it. We're stoked. That's about it for the waterfall. We're gonna head up out of here soon. All right, this is the Black Diamond part of the course.
We're going to check the waves. We drove by this little side street and it looked clean, so you know Daddy wants to go check it out.
More of a beach over that way.
Of course, Mama's girl had to come, so Nanny brought her.
4 o'clock, 4:30, and it's high tide. Just remember that.
All right, we're going for a little neighborhood walk, some putt-putt, and some dinner. So here we go. I see that. Nice being with you, Mom. Had a good time.
We made it to mini golf.
We made it.
That was a long walk, guys.
Wow, look how nice this is. Nanny found us the coolest little mini golf spot right by our house. It is $21 per adult and it comes with a very nice menu, any dinner that you can choose from, a scoop of ice cream as dessert, any flavor, and a alcoholic beverage or a soda, plus unlimited golf. Not just 18 holes, unlimited. So as long as we can play for up until 10:30 is when they close tonight. So really cool, and the kids are free. So super stoked about that.
Mama and I are gonna look hot.
That's what I like to hear, girl.
All right, I got the bacon cheeseburger. Mom got the chicken and rice. Kids got some fish sticks,
And chicken nuggets.
Wagyu burger.
Regular burger. The red wine is very good. The French fries are delicious.
Pretty pristine greens, huh?
Yeah.
You need a big
You
pot.
also have
Yes, we do. We're beating Pop.
Concentrate.
Woohoo! Who thought that was going past?
you did.
I definitely did.
I did too. You're up.
Hard course. Hard mini.
This
mini
is
golf.
expert
It's
level.
hard mini course.
If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the subscribe button, like and comment below, and here's a link to another one of our adventures.